I'm David Attenborough, and I'm here in the Amazon rainforest on the search for wildlife.
I'm Richard Attenborough. I'm his brother and I'm shit.
Now here we see a wild Amazon forest. This is a river typically found here, and as we can see, it has been baited with piranhas. Oh, I can't believe you've done this.
David is about to attempt the ceremonial bottle flip to attract the tribespeople of the Amazon. Good Lord, what's going on?
I am the way
He has failed. They have both failed. The gods are unhappy. We must pull off a bottle flip.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.
Are you sure about it? This is a wild cheese.
The G is exotic.
Let's capture it for science.
Let me enlighten them. G is a creature from Wales, a country far, far away from here. He migrates every year because Wales is too cold and full of sheep. I've never seen one in the wild before. It's amazing. I didn't think they came all the way to the Amazon.
Neither did I, Richard.
Let's
Tell us more.
Let's approach.
Now here we see Wild Matthew. Amazing.
He's looking at the other humans eating dinner.
Oh, I've never seen one before in the wild. This is amazing. Oh, it's getting away.
It's found its mate. It has found its mate for the summer.
If we get spotted, it may attack.
This is a groundbreaking discovery for science.
I think it's time to go. That's all for today, folks.
The Wild Matthew has been spotted. Shit. I'm getting stunning shots of the Wild Matthew. Oh my gosh. The stunning features of the Matthew. The teeth, for one. This is actually unbelievable.
Groundbreaking yet. First we feel Matthew's assaulting.
But it seems they're quite sociable.
Should we get a close up?
Yes. A close up in the view.
We've been spotted.
Here we find its friends.
Follow me. David's found the nest of the wild Matthew. The nest of the wild Matthew.
Oh my gosh! That is unbelievable.
Never before recorded footage here. You can see his GoPro case.
Empty, of course. And what is that?
His many belongings are exploding out of his backpack.
One of them of which is his wild pump.
Sometimes you'll hear the mating call of the wild Matthew.
It sounds a bit like this. That is a very accurate representation of the Wild Matthew's mating call.
Let's return the nest to how we found it so it doesn't get angry.
Indeed. It's angry before it notices.
Let's get it. May bitch slap us. Today we have the pleasure of the wild Matthew allowing us into his territory.
Here we see a Wild Matthew.
It might spot us.
Look how close we are. This is unbelievable.
If we make the wild Matthew agitated, it may attack. Do the mating call, see if he looks at you.
We are not allowed to. We are not welcome here. Back off slowly, Richard. Do not break any sudden movements. Shit. We angered it. Run away.
Like it.
Oh no,
Look at the size of this cunt.
Oh fucking hell! Jeez!
It's a giant spider and it's also being eaten by wild Matthew.
As you can see, the wild Matthew is a savage beast in these areas, eating large spiders for fun.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Can we have a close-up of the spider, please? Oh no. I think this one is already dead, shall we say.
Goodbye.
And that was all for today on the BBC's Planet Earth.
Look at my down. Look at my down.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed.